In this video, I wanted to talk about a program called $25 One Up, and I wanted to talk about why so many people are coming in at the 250 diamond level. And I want to talk about the reasons why that is. Last week I made over $1,100 plus with this system, passively, basically. I only do a few activities, like an hour or two a day. And I'm on my way, but I do these activities consistently, and the activities that I've done have helped me build an audience. It's helped me be able to monetize that audience, and that's what I help people do. One of the reasons that people come in so much at this 250 level is because it allows them to be able to begin to build full-time income. And people who position themselves at that level know that they can scale up to even higher income, the $500 level, the $1,000 level, but they can get started and begin to build full-time income at the 250 level. And that's what people that I partner with, they know and they understand through my marketing efforts. They truly get it about the leverage that it truly allows you to build at the diamond level. And another reason that so many people position themselves at this level is like today, I got a 250 commission, and these come in regularly. One of the things that I do is I teach other people how they can do the same thing through their marketing efforts, okay? And, for me, I know that a lot of people position with me because I am a top leader in $25 One Up, and I'm going to kind of take you over and show you that. But I'm also going to show you that people just make a decision to partner with me because it's not about me. It's about what I actually give them that positions them for success. So let's go right over to the leaderboard, and I'm going to show you what how I position people for success. So one of the things is when I talk to people and I say, well, what made you want to partner with me? They say, well, when I look at the consistency of you marketing this program, some people, they'll market other programs and then they'll come back, right? No shade. I'm just saying that I've been consistently marketing this program. Okay? And that's what people want, is they want consistency. They want someone that they know is a leader, and they want someone that they know has an actual game plan for them. Okay? So in the last, of all time, I am the number 9 earner in this program of all time. In the last 30 days, I'm number 3, and I'm number 2 in the last 7 days. Okay? So I am consistently marketing this program, but it's not about me. What people are excited about is they know that through my leadership that I give people blueprints for success, which I'm going to show you in a second. And that when they position themselves at a full-time income, they're not just going to have a vehicle to make full-time income. They're going to have a game plan on how to make full-time income. And what I give to people is my actual marketing strategies, my actual daily routine, so they can literally do what I've been able to do with this program and make thousands of dollars with this system. Okay, so let's take you over to the success blueprint. When people partner with me at platinum or higher, especially at the 250 level, they're going to get the 5K training blueprint. And I did mention in my previous videos that shortly soon this whole blueprint will only be available for people at the 250 level. I will still give training to people at the platinum level, but the whole shebang will only be available for people at the diamond level, because those are people that they really want to build full-time income online, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So one of the things that I do is in this blueprint is literally walking you through step by step how to get set up with the system. And then on top of that, I go into my actual marketing strategies. I give my daily checklist of how to build an audience so that you're not bugging family and friends, and you can actually start monetizing your marketing efforts. Okay. I also show them things like how to grow a targeted audience, how copy and paste ads training, how to use a Facebook group funnel, how to build maximum exposure, how to monetize things like Facebook Lives, because I see people do them and they're not necessarily making money from them. I will be doing a video on engagement coming soon. I also go over YouTube, which is one of my favorite vehicles. You're watching a YouTube video right now. YouTube is a great way to get free leads. I don't care if you're doing offline marketing, whatever. YouTube marketing actually helps with your conversions, especially at a mid-ticket, high-ticket level. So I show people, whether or not they want to show their face or not, how to make a quick video and be able to monetize that and get leads and monetize that. And that's what I show people how to do as well. And then one of the most important things, in my opinion, is a lot of people, they don't come from a marketing background. They don't come from a sales background. So how do I close sales, right? I literally walk people through the process of closing sales, which does not take a lot of time, which does not, you do not have to be pushy, and it shows you what to do to be able to get these commissions, okay? Once you learn this, you can do this process with over and over again online with anything that you offer. So this is what I offer to people. And then I even have a fast start video for people who they want to get started real quick, right? I'm going to show them, they're going to watch the video in the fast start, and then I'm going to give them a 7-day fast start posting guide to begin to get exposure on what they're doing and to be able to start collecting leads. All right. So this is the whole shebang that they get when they decide that they're going to partner with me. And that's what people are looking for, is they're looking for someone who has the game plan, right? Not just someone who's introduced them to a way of making money, but can show them how to actually do the strategies to actually make commissions with that. And that's something that I'm proud of, is that I've always been that person to give people the tools. Now it's up to them to go do it, right? To actually go and create their success. But I actually put them in position to have the strategies that I actually use, that I use to create that $250 commission today, right here. Congrats to Jack, who made his way in and already has his first couple sales lined up, and I'm very proud of him because of this that I do right here and that I give you my strategy. All right. So if you're in $25 one up and you're looking for a blueprint, you can actually purchase this blueprint from me. If you're my business partner, you get it by positioning yourself and coming into this program. And you know, if you're not in $25 one up and you're struggling in your online business, you should have this blueprint too. You could also purchase it and use it in any business. I was talking to a person who's in a travel business, and they're going to be using this blueprint to help them in their travel business. So that said, let's talk about the income levels, and I'm going to sign off. So there's several levels you can come in at. Of course, today I'm talking about the 250 level because that's the beginning of the levels of creating full-time income. So the platinum level, 125, that's for people who want to create part-time income. For people who want to create full-time incomes, $250, $500, and $1,000 levels are where you begin to create full-time income levels, okay? And realistically, you know, I'm not just saying that just to say that. You know, you have to look at what full-time income is. We're talking about anywhere from, you know, $2,500 to $5K plus a month. You need to be at a 250 or higher level, okay? I would say more to get to the 5K. You could do that other levels, but 250 is where you begin creating full-time income. And there's some other added benefits built into this program. One of the benefits that's built into this program is what is called leverage. What that means is the person who just came in today, he already has his first sign up coming in. Well, guess what? His next sign up is passed up to me. And the same thing happens to you when you decide that you join this program. So for every person that comes into this program through your marketing efforts, right, through this simple daily blueprint and being consistent with building this, when they go make their first commission, they get to keep it. Their second one gets passed up to you, and then they keep everything from that point forward. But now you're building extra income and you didn't do nothing extra. Okay? And this is my favorite part of the program, is being able to tell people what to do, give them a strategy of what to do, plug them into my Facebook group where they have support, and then watch them go out, thrive, get their first commissions, right? And then once they do that, the second one is passed up to me, and the same thing happens to them when they go out and they do the same thing. And now their income is growing, and they didn't have to do anything extra. They didn't have to invest anything extra. This is a one-time investment program. You can start a business for $250 one time plus the admin fee. Okay? You can't do that anywhere. So that's it. Subscribe. I'm hopping off of here. Coach KIRKSHINTA here. If you want the blueprint, message me blueprint so that you can get access to that. If you're ready to actually start positioning yourself for 250 plus paydays, right? Then get started and message me for your blueprint. If you have any questions, reach out, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye, guys.